The Tooley Park scribers are great tools for fitting work on site, but they're equally as useful in the workshop. This is one application. When you make chairs, you always make the legs over length and put the chair on a flat surface like a machine bed, and you mark round the legs and then cut them to length. You can do that with these scribers. We've got a Fat Boy and a Deluxe Fat Boy scriber. This is the standard Fat Boy, and you can mark around with a pencil like that. With the Deluxe Fat Boy, you can use a chair maker's marking wheel, and this actually scores a line in the timber. Having a line scored in the timber is a more accurate way of working, because it actually gives you a place where you can put your chisel, so you can get spot on results doing it this way.